Welcome to another Battlefield 4 video. My name is Mario Carrion from Bandero Gaming. This time I give you the weapon analysis of the U100 MK5 light machine gun. The Ultimax 100 Mark V, or in short U100 MK5, is a Singapore-made light machine gun in Battlefield 4. This LMG is unlocked by default, and just like all the other light machine guns in the game, is available only to the support kit. It has a magazine capacity of 45 rounds with one in the chamber, and it supports all three fire modes: single shot, burst, and semi-automatic. Compared to the other current 3 magazine-fed light machine guns, the U100 MK5's damage is the same. It's the slowest LMG but the one with the fastest muzzle velocity, and together with the RPK-74M, is the one with lowest ammo capacity. Regarding its reloading time, it's actually the second fastest to reload, when both the magazine is empty and when there are still bullets left, just behind the RPK-12. And finally, the recoil is really average. It has the second best left horizontal recoil, the second worst vertical recoil, and the worst right horizontal recoil. Recall all the previous comparisons I just mentioned are against magazine-fed light machine guns, which to date are only 3: the QBB-95-1, the RPK-12, and the RPK-74M. So what are the best attachments to select when using the U100 MK5? Similar to all other weapons supporting the bipod, the best accuracy you can get is when deploying that attachment, but the bipod is only useful if you are not planning to move too much, and practically you plan to stay stationary all the time, like when defending a specific objective or some choke point. If your plans are to push forward, there is only one loadout I would recommend you: the heavy barrel, the vertical grip, and depending on the map, either the magnifier or the laser sight. Magnifier for medium to large maps, and the laser sight for smaller maps. In all cases, I like using any red dot sight, especially the Coyote RDS. In general, the U100 MK5 is good for the medium range, just don't let the damage fool you. Yes, the number of bullets you need to take an enemy down is practically the same for LMGs, assault rifles, and carbines, but that is not what makes the biggest difference. Recall that other weapons are usually faster to reload, faster to shoot, but with lower ammo capacity, and the light machine guns are slower to reload and to shoot, but with higher ammo capacity. So in other words, LMGs work better when defending objectives or when attacking objectives together with other teammates. I have mixed feelings about this LMG. Maybe it's the current state of Battlefield 4, but sometimes I felt this weapon perform flawlessly, and some others I felt like I was shooting rubber bullets. What I did notice is that this weapon really works if you are playing the support role. But if you are like me and you like being aggressive, prepare mentally to ask yourself from time to time, wait, what? Did I just die? I shot him multiple times. And that's all I have for you this time. Consider rating the video, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so. My name is Mario Carrion, this is the weapon analysis of the Singaporean U100 MK5 light machine gun in Battlefield 4. I will talk to you later. Until then, see you on the Battlefield soldier.